Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Bits by Monika. Today, we are starting our brand new C programming in 20 days series. This is day 1, Introduction to C and Structure of a Program. By the end of this session, you will understand why C is important, its key features, and how to write and run your very first C program. So, let's begin our journey into the world of programming. C is one of the oldest and most powerful programming languages. It was developed in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. Initially, it was created to develop the Unix operating system, and later it became the foundation for many other systems. Now, why is C called a middle-level language? Because it combines the features of both low-level languages that interact directly with hardware and high-level languages that are closer to human understanding. This makes C extremely versatile. Why is C still important today? Many modern languages like C++, Java, and even Python are either directly influenced by C or internally depend on concepts from C. Operating systems like Unix, Linux, and even parts of Windows were written in C. It continues to be widely used in system programming, embedded systems, and compiler development. That is why C is often called the mother of programming languages. If you know C well, learning other languages becomes much easier. Let us now look at the key features of C that make it unique. Simple and fast. C is close to hardware, so the execution is very efficient. Structured. It supports modular programming using functions, which makes programs easy to read and maintain. Portable. You can write code once and run it on different machines with little or no modification. Rich library support. C has many built-in functions for strings, mathematics, file handling, and more. Learning C builds strong fundamentals in problem-solving, memory management, and program structure. Now, let us move to the structure of a C program. A typical C program has the following parts. Preprocessor directives. For example, hashtag includes stio.hs. This tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library. Main. Function, the entry point of every C program. Execution always starts from here. Statements. These are instructions written inside the main function. Return 0 indicates successful completion of the program. Let's see a simple Hello World program in C. Hashtag includes stio.h, includes the standard library for input-output functions. Int main function where execution begins. Curly braces define the body of the program. Printf, hello world, prints the message on the screen. Return 0, program ends successfully. When we run this program, the output will be hello world. Now that we have seen our first program, let's understand how a C program is executed. The process follows 4 main steps. Editing. We write the source code in a text editor and save it with a C extension. For example, hello.c. Compiling. The compiler translates the human-readable source code into object code. Linking. The linker connects the object code with necessary library files, such as stio.h. Execution. Finally, the program runs and displays the output. This cycle is often called the edit, compile, run process. It is very important because every program we write will go through these steps before producing the final output. Before we close, let's quickly recap what we learned today. The history and importance of C language. Key features of C programming. The basic structure of a C program. the Hello World program and its explanation, and finally, how compilation and execution work behind the scenes. In the next session, Day 2, we will study data types, variables, and constants in C. This will form the foundation of actual programming and logic building. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Study Bits by Monika for more daily lessons. See you in the next class.